boys. Peffer Outdoors, back here with another one today. Today we got a little cornfield we're going to. Got some honkers on it. See if we can't blast a few up, so see you boys out in the field. Picking up this greasy greeble.
What's going on here?
Squeeze in there, come on, Stu.
Oh
My, there's plenty of room there.
where are we going?
YouTube. Alright, boys. We got set up. We got some new guys with us. Need to bring these fuckers with every time. Holy shit. First flock. 4 out of the 6 we 4? Or are these all we shot? 5? 4 out of the 5 first flock bands. Let's go, dude. That's a hell of a start to the morning, I'd say. Let's keep at it. Yeah. Alright, well, we just had a 2-pack come and dump in here, so we got the red coats out there fucking tromping after. They're already getting alert.
I ain't even worried about that.
Wonder what we should do. They keep wanting to land right here.
40 yards out.
We could flip the blinds, open this up.
You're that, we gotta start moving. Because that's their pocket right there.
Yeah, they're far. I can see them over there.
They're way out there.
Nah, they're going way out there.
They're gone.
They're gone.
There they go.
Just short circles.
Yeah.
I think.
They're picking everything up, though.
All right, boys, we're wrapping it up for this morning. They didn't fly this morning. We're come back this afternoon, but we're gonna do a little band draw here. Team Kassan. Who is that? Kassan, Jordan. What's your name again? Caleb. Between these 3, they're gonna draw for the other band.
The one with the squiggles with the Sharpie is it.
There we go. Put it in the hat. Put it up high. Put it up high. It's a see-through hat.
Nada. No, who's next?
Nada. All right, who's next? Between you two.
Oh.
All right, do we got a band winner right here? All right, you draw now and you'll open your hands up.
I got it in my hand.
Ooh. We got a band guy right there. There we go. Amazing morning. We're gonna get back out in the afternoon, see if we can't call some more up.
You got that? Out of that? Jesus. Take him! We call that so fucking late, dude.
Yeah, fuck. I was wondering what the other group was gonna. Hey, keep calling. Get down, keep calling, boys. Alright. Morning, boys. Well, update on the video. It's kind of a freaking scatter right now. But first morning, we shot 5 birds, which 4 were banded. And then afternoon, we only shot like 1. Wasn't really the best spread and whatnot. And then, yeah, set the spread this morning. Hopefully we can get some more bands in the spread. That'd be freaking awesome. But, yeah, we'll update. See you boys, there's some birds in the spread. The hunter. Yep, just sit still. Sit still.
Take him!
Take him! There you go, boys. That's how we want them to do it right there. That's how we want them to do it. Hey, stay down, stay down. I might try calling again.
I think so.
That was an awesome video. Dude, those are fucking close.
I shot it the same one.
I just need to move some shit, make it look more. It was too much of a blob. Alright, well, bands or no bands? That one leg's sticking straight up. No band on this guy. Hey boys, just got back after the hunt here. Freaking amazing weekend of hunting. 4 bands of the 8 geese we shot of that field total, and just best weekend of hunting of my life so far. But that was freaking insane. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be uploading plenty of duck and goose hunt videos pretty much every week through season, I'd say, for sure. So yeah, stay tuned for that there, fellas. So hope you guys enjoyed, and see you on the next one. Peace.